guys, this is your boy Gavin. Welcome to Gavlogs. Are you guys doing good? Did you guys miss me? How's everything going? I hope everyone's fine. As you've seen the thumbnail, I'm going to introduce to you this app which I've joined a few months back. I've been so excited to break the news about this app because it's so amazing. So guys, this is called MOJ, and MOJ invited me to join them 2 months back, and it's been an amazing journey. I'm so happy and glad to be in this app, and it's really fun, amazing videos going on this app. MOJ has so many campaigns, a lot of celebrities coming in, all the people who love making content. Please join MOJ because it's going to be really amazing in 2021. I'm basically not an influencer or not a great content creator, but I don't know, MOJ has sent me something really special to celebrate joining them and being on the app for quite a while right now. So I've got a small for me it's a very big surprise. They sent me a package and I've opened it because I didn't have time to wait. So this is the package which they've given, and firstly, MOJ, thank you so much. It means a lot, and thank you. I'm going to show you what's inside because you guys are waiting. So I've opened it. So firstly, we have a nice card. If you can see, it's going to be vice versa. I'm going to read it to you. So it's called "Welcome to MOJ family. It's amazing to have you, such a young, fresh and talented influencer, work with us. Your spontaneous and vibrant personality resonates perfectly well with our ideology, and we look forward to a great association with you. Once again, we would like to extend my sincere and warmest welcome to the MOJ family. Hope to have a long, successful journey together. Let's MOJ together. Isn't that cute, guys? It's so sweet and really nice. Really appreciate it. The next thing which I got is a shirt. Look at it, guys. I hope it fits me, I hope it... Oh, wow. Wow. I'm gonna wear this and I think it's gonna fit me really well. Next, what we got inside is a nice MOJ mask. Now, I'm not gonna open this now because I'm gonna open this when I go out. So it's a very nice, cute mask, as you can see. Yeah. So thank you again for the third gift, final gift. Guys, can you believe it? I love chocolates, especially dark chocolate, because when you work out, this is the healthiest sugar you can have, I feel. So thank you again. So firstly, thank you MOJ for everything, for all the gifts, and I assure you that I'll be on the app and post more content, more videos and stuff like that. MOJ is basically an app which displays content. Currently, I think MOJ is #1 at what it's doing, so you guys just need to download MOJ from the App Store or Play Store, and there are a lot of campaigns, a lot of events happening. Huge cash prizes are also there. A lot of events which contains a lot of cash prizes. So people who are really interested to join this app, go right now and join. Go right now and download MOJ.